Unlock the secret to better health after 50, say no to these 10 foods. Welcome to Healthism, where we're dedicated to helping you live a healthier, more vibrant life. Today, we've got valuable insights to share that could transform your health after 50. Whether you're already on the path to wellness or just getting started, these tips can make a significant difference in your life. So, stay tuned to discover the keys to better health and longevity. As we age, our dietary needs and tolerance for certain foods change. Eating a well-balanced and nutritious diet becomes even more crucial for maintaining good health, vitality, and a high quality of life. If you're over 50, it's essential to be mindful of what you consume to support better health. Here are 10 foods you should consider avoiding to achieve optimal well-being in your golden years.
Excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain, diabetes, and heart problems. It also contributes to inflammation. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or consume fresh fruits in moderation. Processed foods often contain unhealthy trans fats, excessive sodium, and preservatives. Focus on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Red meat is high in saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Choose lean protein sources like poultry, fish, or plant-based options like tofu and legumes. High salt intake can lead to hypertension, increasing the risk of stroke and heart disease. Season your food with herbs and spices instead of salt, and read food labels for sodium content. Fried foods contain unhealthy trans fats and are calorie-dense. Opt for grilling, baking, or steaming for healthier preparation methods. Most sugary cereals are high in added sugars and low in essential nutrients. Choose whole grain, low-sugar cereals or oatmeal for a healthier breakfast. Full-fat dairy products are high in saturated fats, which can negatively impact heart health. Switch to low-fat or non-fat dairy options to reduce saturated fat intake. Refined grains offer fewer nutrients and fiber compared to whole grains. Opt for whole grain bread, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta for added nutrition. These beverages are loaded with sugar and can contribute to weight gain and dental issues. Drink water, herbal teas, or naturally flavored water with a splash of lemon or cucumber. Excessive alcohol consumption can damage the liver and increase the risk of various health issues. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation, following recommended guidelines. Remember, maintaining a balanced and varied diet while avoiding excessive consumption of these foods can help you age gracefully, boost your energy, and support better health as you cross the 50-year mark. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice tailored to your specific needs and goals.
As we wrap up today's video, remember that your health is your greatest wealth. By making mindful choices and steering clear of these detrimental foods, you're taking a crucial step toward a healthier, happier future. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell, so you never miss our latest insights on well-being. And, as always, here's to your health.